to write down the new goals for the new month. I have also filmed that trip and I have a travel diary up on my channel. Okay guys, we have a friend here now. We have Bella, because I need to work on that. And now it's time for me to head over to Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, my name is Poppy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. August is almost here, I cannot believe it. This year is flying by. It's absolutely crazy. But since August is almost here, that means that I am ready to film my August monthly reset. This is my little notebook that I'm writing down all my monthly goals. So we're going to go through my goals. We're going to write down the new goals for the new month. And of course, we're going to go through my Google Calendar, how I will plan everything for this month. And by everything, I mean content-wise. I will show you how I will plan all my video ideas. Of course, we will create a beautiful, inspiring mood board or vision board for the month of August. So I am very excited for today's video. As always, grab a beverage, grab a snack, and let's get into it. So these were my July goals. We're going to go through them now one by one to see what I accomplished. My first goal, as you can see, was to meditate often. I did meditate quite a few times, but I wish I had meditated a little bit more. So I'm not gonna say that I succeeded on that because I didn't meditate as often as I would like to. The second goal was to go on trip, and I did do that. We went to Syros with my boyfriend. We had an amazing time. I have also filmed that trip and I have a travel diary up on my channel if you would like to check it out. So the third goal is also a check. Film my trip was the third goal, and I did film my trip like I just mentioned. The next goal was to use the new treadmill, and I did use the treadmill daily, so I did accomplish that. The next goal was to work out 4 times a week. I did succeed on that. I only stopped working out for a few days when I was away, but other than that, I was working out pretty consistently. The next goal was to not stress about finances. I've written this down, especially because I knew that I was going away, so I didn't want to stress about finances while I was away, and I have to say that I did succeed on that as well. So next up, I had a couple of YouTube goals. So the first one was to upload twice a week, which was a success. Even though I was away, I had planned my content and I had everything ready, so I didn't skip any uploads. And the next goal was to reach 2,200 subscribers, and we are actually more than 2,200 people currently in our community here, so that is a check. And let's see how many of you are part of our community currently. So as you can see, we are currently 2,226 people in our YouTube community, which is very exciting. We're growing slowly, but all that matters is that I see that you guys are enjoying the content, and that makes me absolutely happy, because you know, here we are in this channel all about wellness and all about lifestyle and good energy. So now it's time to write down my August goals. I will write everything down and we're going to get through them together. So if you would like to, grab your notebook now, write down your goals, pause this video, and then we're going to check out our goals together. You know, you're in the middle of the summer when the weather is unbearably hot. I didn't mention it, but I'm in my family's house. That's why the background is looking different. Alright, so I will pop my August goals now on the screen so you can have a clear look at them, and let's have a look at them together now. So the first one is to finish reading my book. I have recently started rereading a book called Ikigai. I read that book I think a couple of years ago, and I remember I really liked it. I remember a little bit what this book is all about, but I just wanted to refresh my memory and read it again. So I took it with me in my vacation, and I'm now trying to finish it, because when I was away and I was laying on the beach or I was chilling in the room, I felt like it was easier for me to read, but now that I am back in my everyday life, I feel like I am concentrating more in other things and I don't really prioritize reading, and I want to start reading more and rereading books that I have enjoyed in the past. So that's why I wrote it down. Hopefully next month I will come here and I will tell you that I finished the book. The next goal is to walk daily. So I think it's going to be pretty easy, because since I have the treadmill, I know I have mentioned that treadmill a million times, but it is such a game changer for me, because I wasn't really going on walks alone. I didn't really feel like it, and when I'm doing work I am mostly sitting, so I feel like the treadmill has saved me and I'm able to walk more often. So walk daily is one of my goals. Okay guys, we have a friend here now. We have Bella. Oh yeah, I love you. I love you so much. She is our family dog, so she lives in my family's house and we all love her so much. She's 13 years old, or should I say 13 years young, because she's acting like she's still a puppy, almost. But yeah, I love her so much. She's my daughter, she's my whole world. I always say that, but it's the truth. Next up, I have written down to work out 4 times a week with a new workout split. My goal is to work out 4 times a week. If I work out 5, that's great, but 4 times a week is a little bit more realistic. But I want to create a new workout split, and my boyfriend is all into fitness. He used to be a bodybuilder, so he will help me to create a new workout split, because I'm currently working out with YouTube videos. I'm working out with MatFit. I'm about to finish a challenge that I have started by myself. I challenged myself to work out only with MatFit videos for a month, and I'm also filming a video about that, so it will be up very soon. But I want to just start working out without YouTube videos now at home. Yeah, I'm working out at home. That won't change, but I want to, use my dumbbells and create a different workout split. The 4th goal is to wake up earlier and sleep earlier, because I need to work on that, because I have the tendency to sleep a little bit later and wake up a little bit later, and then I feel kind of sluggish and that I'm not that productive or as productive as I would like to be. And I know that waking up early always makes me feel better and more accomplished and productive, so I definitely want to try that as well. The next goal is to, of course, keep up with my YouTube schedule, so twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. I think this will forever be my goal, to keep up with my YouTube schedule. I want my content to always be inspiring and good enough for you guys, so I think twice a week is a good amount of times to upload. So the next goal is to spend less time on Instagram. And now that's funny, because a couple of months ago one of my goals was to post more on Instagram, but now I have suddenly changed my mind. I feel like Instagram tends to be such a waste of time for me, and that goes also for other social media as well. I recently deleted my old Instagram, I deleted my old Facebook. I have kept only an Instagram account and I'm following people who inspire me. And these people are mostly women that I follow also on YouTube, like Sissel, Zoe Pritchard, Sarah's Day, and the list goes on. But I have some good inspiring women on my Instagram, and I also have some people who are really close to me. So my boyfriend, my sister, my best friends, and that's it. I'm not gonna lie, I do tend to go to the Instagram feed and sometimes scroll and waste a few minutes, but I have also made my Instagram to pop up this notification to take a break, just as a reminder, because sometimes you just find yourself scrolling for maybe an hour and you are not even realize how the time has passed by. So this little reminder is a game changer, because when it pops up, I'm like, okay, I have already been to Instagram for 10 minutes, so it's time to turn it off and do something else. Because there is nothing wrong with relaxing a little bit and getting your mind off of things and having a look at Instagram, but I think we should be very cautious about what type of content and pictures, videos we are consuming and we are watching, because our minds are working in ways that we don't even know, and I think we should be really cautious about what type of content we are watching. In all honesty, I really do not care to watch what my old classmates are doing or my old neighbors or anyone else. I want everyone to be healthy, good, happy, but I don't want to watch this type of pictures on my feed anymore. And to be honest, at the end of the day, whoever wants to find me and see if I'm doing good, if I'm doing, okay, will contact me in real life. They don't need to be looking at pictures of me on social media. But yeah, that's the reason why I want to spend less time on Instagram, just a few minutes to watch content which is nice for me and inspiring to me. And the last goal is to reach 2,240 subscribers for our community here. I'm always mentioning that, I'm always saying that when I'm writing down my subscribers goals. I'm not looking at subscribers like numbers, I'm looking at subscribers like people, individual people who are interested in what I have to say and what I have to show. And I want you to feel good after watching my videos, and I want you to feel that we can relate and that you can feel motivated and inspired. So these are my August goals. Now we're going to move along and have a look at my Google Calendar to see what type of content I have planned for this upcoming month. But I think we need to change the spot because it's too hot in here, so let's move somewhere else. So, I hope the AC is not making too much noise. Let's screen record now my Google Calendar so you can have a look at my content for August. Also, if you hear something crunching, is Bella. She's eating, but I'm not gonna tell her to stop eating because that would be just awful. So, eat up, baby girl. You do your thing, I will do my thing, and we will just vibe together. So, the first video of the month is going to be uploaded on Wednesday, and it's going to be a vlog, a week in my life. Fun fact, this is going to be the first week in my life that I have ever filmed. I have never filmed one before, so I hope you will like it. The next video is going to be uploaded on Sunday. I'm thinking about filming an apartment refresh. Then next up, I want to upload a matte fit challenge, so we'll film my final results. Next up, I want to film my skincare routine, and I'm also thinking about filming a week of my outfits, so a summer outfits of the week. I also want to film a vlog which is all about wellness, so it's going to be like a me day. And because I spend a lot of time by myself, I also want to film a vlog about being alone. And then it will be finally time to film my September monthly reset routine. And for the last video of the month, I'm thinking about filming how I cope with anxiety. So these are the ideas that I have written down. As I'm always mentioning, these ideas might change, or I might change the order that I will upload. And now it's time for me to head over to Pinterest to find some cute, aesthetic, beautiful pictures for my new vision board. Let's start looking through Pinterest. Okay, I think this one must be one of my favorite vision / mood boards I have ever made. This is the final result. I chose pretty simple colors. I chose some pinks, some greens, a little bit of blue. These colors just make me feel at peace, and I just prefer this type of colors instead of super vibrant colors when it comes to my mood board, because I don't want to have like super bright and out there colors as a wallpaper, so when I open up my laptop I don't feel overwhelmed and, you know, in panic mode, because that's how some bright colors make me feel sometimes. So I chose, as you can see, a lot of landscape pictures or paintings, because I really like the look of paintings, and I chose a couple of them and they look very, very gorgeous. And I just chose pictures that when I look at them, they make me feel at peace and make me feel good inside. I also chose some quotes, as I always do. So one of them says, daily reminder, smile, drink your water, work out, remember why you started, spread love and positivity. I love this quote, it's amazing. I want it as a daily reminder, so that's why I chose it for my wallpaper. Then the other one says, small steps every day. This is an excellent reminder as well. And the last quote that I chose says, don't overthink it, because I am definitely an overthinker and I need to work on that, so this is a great reminder as well. But overall, I really like the look of my mood board, and as a base I chose this beige kind of sand color. But yeah, that would be all for this month's monthly reset routine, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comments some of your goals, some goals that you have for August. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!